Okay, so we got this situation. The equation of circle passing through the foci of the ellipse. Okay, so you know that here A is bigger, so it is horizontal ellipse. So let's try to draw the diagram. Suppose this is horizontal ellipse. Okay, and suppose that this is the foci. So your circle should pass through the foci. Okay, so look at this. Suppose they are talking about this circle having center at this 0, 3. Now look at this. You know that to write down equation of circle we need center which is already given 0, 3. Now we need radius. So we have to calculate radius. So you know that this circle is passing through foci. So can I connect this center with foci to get the radius? So who is foci? Foci is AE, 0. Correct? So if I'll ask you about the radius, you will answer 0 minus AE whole square. So A square, E square plus 3 minus 0, 9. You will answer this thing. Now we have to find out AE square. Now have you ever seen A and E together? Yes, in the relationship. So the relationship was what? The relationship was 1 minus E square. You know that the thing which is bigger, A, bigger is A, no? So A will get inside. So A square, and then here we will have B square. So can I write B square equals to A square minus A square E square? Look at this. We want A square E square. So ask this person to come this side. A square E square, A square minus B square. You know that A square is 16 minus 9. So it is 7. So if it is 7, 7 plus 9, 16. 16 root is 4. So you got your radius done. So how we will write down the final equation of circle? Yes, x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square equals to r square. So this is the equation of circle. I hope the idea is clear. You know how to solve this kind of question. Is that okay?